Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Huracan in Pixel Car Racer. First, you'll need to select the right base car from the dealership. The Aspect NSX is a popular choice due to its similar body lines, offering a great starting point for customization. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, perhaps around $20,000, to purchase this initial vehicle. This foundational step is crucial for achieving an authentic Huracan look. Next, focus on the body kit and visual modifications. A wide body kit is essential to replicate the Huracan's iconic, aggressive stance. Look for kits that add significant width and sharp angles. Pair this with a set of sleek, multi-spoke wheels, perhaps 18-inch or 19-inch, to complete the look. Don't forget to lower the suspension for that perfect, ground-hugging profile, enhancing the car's overall sporty aesthetic. Now, let's bring your Huracan to life with paint and fine details. Select a bold, eye-catching color, such as a bright lime green or a fiery orange, which are classic Lamborghini hues. Experiment with custom decals and vinyls to add personal touches and replicate specific Huracan additions. Small details like carbon fiber accents on the mirrors or spoiler can significantly elevate the car's premium feel, making it truly stand out on the track. Finally, let's talk performance to ensure your Huracan drives as good as it looks. Invest in a powerful engine upgrade and a high-boost turbocharger to achieve impressive horsepower figures, easily pushing over 1,000 horsepower. A high-performance transmission will ensure lightning-fast gear changes, giving you an edge in races. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other fantastic deals. These upgrades will make your custom Huracan a true force on the drag strip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.